Today it's Saturday, and Carolyn's rearranging our house, which is amazing. We were going to snuggle, but that's all right. It means that I get to come and do a live stream with you all. Kisses. Anyways, more seriously, today I'm gonna just be working a little bit on one of my sort of generic Python projects. It's pretty small. It's not really related to anything else at all. This is just some tooling to make my life a little easier, because I do a lot of live streams and I also give a lot of talks, and there's a bunch of stuff that I do kind of manually for that. And so I'm gonna make some pieces today, hopefully a little bit better, so that it works. And I'm gonna go ahead and, since I'm doing this from the laptop, so I'm in the living room, bring up the Restream chat link over here so that I can see what's going on. And just in case anyone has comments, I'll be able to follow along. Okay, cool. Looks like, is the chat connected? It's connected to both channels. Okay, cool. So let's switch to live mode. So the first thing that I'm going to do is update the what we're working on thing. And I often forget to do this, so that's one of the things that we're going to automate today. Live streaming tools. Yeah, okay, cool. So then, let me go find the Emacs session. Nope, different one. Okay. So, let's see here for my posts. So, oh yeah, I should probably show you the GitHub repo that this is all coming from. Yeah, looks like it's working, so github.com, and this is just live streaming tools. As you can see, I still need to update my credit card with the fine folks at GitHub, but I'll do that soon. And I don't need those private repos today, so it's not happening. I have, but like, I don't need it right now. So.
What does giving GitHub money do?
Oh, so if I give GitHub money, I get access to my private repos, but I do almost everything in public nowadays, so it doesn't really matter. So, on that note, this is kind of spaghetti-ish code, which isn't great. So, only scheduled posts. Okay, possible posts is, so that's the post part. I think what I want to do is there's this part where we're fetching the YouTube stream, and instead we're going to move that out, and so we can do two separate things with the list of YouTube streams. My wife is asking me engineering questions, which is not normally a good sign, because she's the engineer. Well, it didn't come out of the wall.
Yeah, this seems okay. The way it's doing different things than I thought it would.
I wonder if this would be covered by insurance. We don't have.
No.
No?
No.
Oh. Okay. Copy. Okay. Streams. So we're going to move streams over here. Copies to today's events is going to take in this upcoming streams. And the other thing that I'm going to do is update stream header. And it's going to take in the list of streams. And so we're going to go ahead and move this down here. This is going to be called def get streams. turn outgoing streams. And so then the new function that we're going to write is update stream header. Update stream header streams. I'll give it a doc string. Yeah, give this. If there is another stream today, or yeah, update review underscore info.txt to the latest, to the next scheduled stream, so the banner makes sense. Okay. Fetch upcoming YouTube streams. Okay. And so, I mean, the main thing that you can see in this is the difference between the code that I write for something like Spark and the code which I write for, like, my own sort of... I don't want to say garbage, but my own just sort of personal use. Yeah.
You wouldn't show it to other people normally.
Well, I would, but that's because I have no shame.
Okay.
But I wouldn't, like, if other people started using this, like, it's definitely not, like, overly hard-coded for my personal use case, but it's definitely not, like, super general. It's designed to get my shit done, and with the minimal amount of fuss, because I am lazy, and the whole point of this is to automate part of my job, so it can look like I'm a better whatever the fuck my job is.
You're a better person. You're working smarter, not harder.
Yes, that's true.
That's smart shit I learned.
As my wife said, I am working smarter, not harder, and that is indeed what I will write in my Google snippets. Created tools to more effectively leverage my time, or something. I don't fucking know.
Got to let her know.
Yeah, girl, it's a party in your mouth, and
There's a ladder involved?
yeah, girl. Well, that's how you get up to the right height. Okay. Well, it's all right. I don't think there's a lot of people watching today. We're pretty good.
This is Saturday, girl.
Yeah, it's true. But I because Monday was such a travel shit show, that kind of burned a day of work. So I want to do a little bit. Okay. So that being said, let's go streams. So I never remember how to do Python sort list by a specific key. Okay, but I want to give it a specific... There we go. So... key equals lambda, whoop, stream dot date. Sort by date. Actually, Python pick minimum from list. Is there... Oh, there is a list.min method. That actually... Can I give it a lambda? Python in list key. There we go. Okay, so key. So, okay, yeah. Next stream equals min streams key lambda stream.date. Okay. So that's pretty great. Let's go up and find that part where I did like that expand Okay. If next stream is... Oh. If streams is not none. And then we just go review underscore info dot txt, review header name. Okay. As you can see, I don't know what I'm doing in Python, but that's fine. Right. I want to just write one specific string. Yeah, input, output. Yeah, okay. With open review header name as f. Oh yeah, okay. In write mode. F.write. Next stream. So, but if I have two streams in the same day, I want to make sure. Let's, I want to go take a look at something. So it's actually not quite what I want. I want stream.date. Because I don't know the stream end time. It presumably ends before the next stream begins. Okay, well, whatever. Let's fix the. Let's go find whatever the field is that I care about, because I don't remember. Title or something. Okay, yeah. Oh. Okay. Well, actually, the f.close is implicit because of that with syntax. But the part which I need to think about is this next streams. Okay, yes. So, really though, okay, let's switch this to return all of the streams, and then we're going to go into our YouTube friendly one. Where are we taking? Okay, switch that to upcoming streams. That looks fine. Okay. Today's streams is going to be filter. It's going to be actually pretty close to this, except there is a now object, right? Which is, where did I define my now object? It's inside of get streams. Hmm. I'm going to move this. Try and work on both my computer and my server. Time zones, sad face. Okay, so then okay. Okay. Then we go back down, update stream header. Okay, that's no longer a concern because we're on, well, yeah, we're always going to have some streams. Today's streams. Stream.day equals stream date it's not ISO calendar. So scheduled start time. Wait, is date? That's okay. Scheduled start. Wait, yeah, okay. So okay, yeah, we just keep the field name but change its contents. Okay, scheduled start time. Okay, Python date time. Compare date. I don't know if it's the same date. Same day. No, it's just .date. Okay, cool. Okay. Now, then, okay. If len today's streams, well, let's turn this into a list. I want to consume it multiple times. Return it's going to be the other one where we do something funky. So what I want to do is take the so this isn't run super frequently, but I could change it to run more frequently, and there's no particular cost to doing that. So we'll just update it 5 minutes before. Okay. Like, not a great solution, but it's for myself, so it's fine. Okay, I want to find the one where we... Yeah, okay, so minus now. And then that gives us a delta. Is... okay. So we're going to do the same thing, but we'll just have a different threshold for doing the updates. Yeah. Oh, wait, yeah, okay. Actually, yeah, instead of doing 5 minutes before, let's do... I'm just thinking about my workflow, but that's probably fine. Delta is less than that, and delta is... So so then this is going to go, and we'll do for stream. What happens if I do... Python had option list. Hey. else right header for stream possible stream one. Sure. Print updating header for stream. So let's run that and see if it works. It's cool line 349. Ah. Alright. Oh, fuck. What was I? Sorry, it's been a long day. Okay. Oh, yeah, and so instead of it being called next stream now, it's just stream. Okay, let's see if it changed the header. Doesn't look like it changed the header. Updating header. Oh, that's cool.
I've got to switch out this piece from the container while it's slightly wrong. Make motherfucking shelves.
Yeah, girl.
Question is where the rest of those packets.
Oh wait, maybe it actually did do it. Okay. Cool. So that part worked. Let's do a git commit. Oops. Let's go get rid of this part here. Update review info.txt. So the header in my OBS streams is correct. So I keep forgetting to do that. Okay. That's good. Or it's at least okay. Let's go ahead and do something else fun. Look at streams. That's probably okay. The other thing that I wanted to do is grab something from my calendar. Not super sure how to do that in Python. So the theory is I'm going to make it use my calendar to generate some social media stuff for myself, and so that my calendar will be more accurate because...
If you can make it so I know when you're in town, I can figure it out.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Sorry for interrupting you right now.
It's okay.
Live stream. Oh,
It's fine. It's fine. Oh, so I actually have the OAuth 2 client. Already. What happens if I just add calendar? Oh, yeah. So, let's go find... API service name. I have multiple services? That is the question. Well, no. Get authenticated. Get authenticated. Okay. So I think, yeah, we're gonna want to delete the token.json, but that's fine. Okay, get authenticated. Google services. Okay, so okay, so YT service. YouTube 3, and then cal service, and we're going to build. I think it's just called calendar, right? So, what is auth_file pointing to? Oh, okay. Or actually, well, it's no longer just YouTube, it's geofile. Okay. Okay. Get authenticated. Okay. YT service. So then here. Okay, let's go find. Nope. 117. Okay. What's it saying? Scopes equals scopes. Clients. Client secrets file. Google client secret fudge. I probably put it somewhere. Client secrets. Well, it doesn't look like it. But let's try this one first. Okay. Client secrets. Google client secret. Except it's gonna be. Okay. Don't remember which one of these was the one which finally worked. Oh, actually, probably, if I look at the time they were modified, that'll tell me. Okay. Keyword argument access type. Okay. Access type. Oh, interesting. Installed app flow. Well, let's try turning it off, see what happens. Okay. I'll switch this to the be right back screen because I'm gonna. Oh, yay! What am I doing with Spark? Oh, so I'm not working with Spark today. I should update it. Today I'm just working with some tools around live streaming. Normally I work on PySpark, and so yeah, actually I have some outstanding like pull requests that are in progress. Oh, actually yeah, so this is one of the things that I've been working on lately. Where did it get left off? It got left off with I need to do a micro benchmark for my most recent Spark PR. So maybe I'll actually put that together really quickly after this one, depending on how much more time my wife wants to spend. No, it's mostly I want to know if I should do a second thing after this or not. Okay.
I can't get the entire letter to look at the shelf while also hanging off the wall.
I think that's okay. So anyways, I'm going to switch this to the be right back screen for a second because I'm going to have to go get a secret. And so on that note, we can see it's running again, and I just copied the secret and put it in, and now it's saved, and that's good and happy and fun. I mean, it's just like a secret key so that it has permission to read stuff from my YouTube account and Google Calendar. And so I don't want to show that to people because I'm not actually sure if they could use it because I think they might need the client secret as well. But I would rather just play it safe. Okay. Okay, that's a part. Fetch YT and gcal clients. So that's streams. The other one that I want to do now next is events. those. List events. Cal.
It only looks like half the time. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Sorry.
That's alright.
The like step thing does fit inside the letter, and I had it that way 2 minutes ago. I can't figure out what I did.
Get events. Cal service. Fetch calendar events. So now I want to go ahead and fetch calendar events. Let's go take a look at how I can do this. Ooh. Yeah, it wants it in UTC. I think I can give it in PST. Let's find out.
There we go.
Cool. So this would do it for my primary calendar, but that's not the calendar that I want to do. I want to do the other calendar ID, which is I added a new. Okay, Holden public events. Settings and sharing. Is there a calendar ID in here somewhere? Okay, cool. Oh, or I could have actually just read this from iCal. Although I'm already... it's maybe easier to just do it this way. Well, whatever. I'm just gonna hard code this for now. To do later. Unhard code this if other folks want to use it. Except we'll have to move this down. Ooh, okay, copies today of today's events. But now let's... For now, let's just print the events. We can work with that in a second. Okay. It's not called list events, it's called get events. Sure. So if we want to give it now. Except it's not called service, it's cal service. Interesting. Does it actually need the time to be in UTC? Because that's going to make me sad. It might also be that there's no calendar events on this calendar yet. But that shouldn't give me a 400 bad request. That should give me something else, maybe. I think. Oh, maybe I need to give it the full calendar ID here, not just that partial one. Well, let's go back and look at this example. If it needs to be in UTC, I guess it needs to be in UTC. You can just run that for now, see if it... Calendar API has not been configured for this project. So that would make sense. So that made I think it's U1. I don't know. Nope, not U1. Give me a second. I'll be right back once again. I just have to do a thing super quickly. So that was just in the wrong account, but that's okay. I just turned on the calendar API in the right account. I just have a few different Google accounts for different purposes. Okay, it does say just wait a few minutes. And I did just turn it on, so that could be legit. That's unfortunate though that this the only time it seems to understand is UTC. Well, actually, wait, no, we changed the calendar ID too. Let's run that again. No, error 400. Okay, so it does, the now does actually have to be in UTC. That's unfortunate. Let's make this more clear. Now underscore UTC. And then time in is equal UTC. Is this the right project? Oh no, okay. So this is the project. Let's go. Turned it on in a different project. Is it? Oh no, it did just swap that to a reasonable name. Okay, wait. Okay. I'm just going to double check that it's not in my Programmer Boo account. Okay, yeah. It's not. Okay. That's fine. So I guess we can wait. Oh yay, okay. It actually did get a thing. So that's cool. Oh wait, no, did it actually get its thing? Okay, yeah, it did. Okay. Okay. Cool. So let's go ahead and add an event to this calendar. Okay, so add a new calendar. I'll add a new entry. Okay. It's going to go on to public talks and meetups, and I think I'm like 80% sure my next talk is this one in Vancouver with Trevor. Yeah, introducing Kubeflow. Okay. Sure. Let's go look up Trevor on Twitter. Okay. Rocking Vitro. And the OSSNA maybe? No, okay. OSSNA Vancouver. They don't. Let's. Do they have a hashtag or something like this? Hashtag. Oh, well, no, but they have a link to Twitter on the bottom. Oh, well, I guess it's just the Linux Foundation Twitter. That's unless OSSNA. Fine, whatever. Vancouver, BC. Time zone is Pacific, and then the talk is actually at 4 p.m. to 4:40 p.m. Okay, and it's on, what day is it? Thursday, August 30th. Lovely. That's good. It means I can also actually get my 1640. Ooh. 1640. There's probably more pieces of information that I want to add later, but for now that's a good start. So let's run it, see if we actually get that event back, and if it'll tell us what time zone it is. Okay. Oh. Okay, wait. Does it say the time zone? Does it give me the city? It does. Okay, so that's good. We can use that to generate other things. So we're going to go up here. Okay. Possible format. Stream post. Okay. Stream post. Yep. Possible. Oh. Yeah, the -7 gives me the time zone. Yeah, down here at the back. Thank you for catching that. That's good. Possible event posts. Flat map format. Event post. Events. Sure. So let's write format event post now. Def format event post event. We'll do this. For now, coming events, and instead of scheduled start time, we probably need to parse this and turn it into something useful. So we're going to go ahead and it's not the end, I want the start. There we go. Start, specifically the daytime. Okay. Start. How is your coding coming along? I mean, okay. It's not so bad. I got the first part done, and the second part that I wanted to do is in progress, I suppose. Okay, except... Although... kind of just want to make it look really similar. Because we do process the scheduled start time up here as well, right? Although in this case, I don't actually think I want to always put it into the time of my computer. It's not quite what I want to do. Because my events are going to be in different countries and different time zones. It would make more sense to talk about them in the local time.
Yeah, don't list an event UTC time unless it's for like really pedantic nerds.
Yeah, no.
Really pedantic people love that shit, but like they need to be around.
Okay. Well, that's my wife. We all dated a guy like that. Okay. What am I doing? That's a good question. So today I'm just hacking on some stuff to make my live streams and event stuff easier. Just because it takes a non-zero amount of time to manage. And it's as I do more events and more live streams, it's taking more and more of my time. Which means I do less fun things. And so this is some hacking on some stuff so that I can do some more fun hacking later. That makes sense for reals. Okay. But that being said, okay, yeah. Get streams, get events. Let's Oh, cool. Sorry. You comment a lot, and when you comment a lot, an angel gets its wings. Well, one can hope. Def process event. Turn event response. Well, actually, the event response, that might actually be a datetime object. And it's just getting printed like that, in which case that's fine. But yeah, I mean, actually, we can just try computing some stuff with it and assume that it is a datetime object, and then if it isn't, the computer will yell at me. Okay, where was I doing this? Okay. So I want it to be at least 5 minutes in the future, and no more than 7 days in the future. That seems reasonable, right? Sure, why not? Okay, cool. So is no scheduled start time. Oh, yeah, we're not doing soon. Is it not date time we're Don't worry, it's okay.
No, it's sharp and functional.
Oh fuck, that's not so great. Okay, yeah, no, this is just a Unicode object, so that's sad. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn the event into something more useful. Okay, so there was like... There we go. Then we go up to our good friend get events, maybe? Is that? Yeah, that's our good friend. Def process post process event. Turn the start time and end time into usable things. Okay. Well, let's put this here. Extract useful fields from the event. Okay. So parsed time is going to be event start time, date time, yeah, I feel like a bot that could answer the questions there would probably not go very well. I have thought about it, but that's mostly because I think of bad ideas. Maybe there's an example of parsing the datetime result here. No. That's, yeah, okay. Stir p time. Oh, God damn it. Okay. Stir p time, Google Calendar. Stir p time. Cool. Someone else. Oh no, that hard codes the time zone. Honey, I don't want to hard code the time zone. My time. Close. But close. Close. Okay, let's go. Oh wait, is this like a... this also hard codes the time zone. God damn it. Why are people hard coding their time zones? it might say, well, yeah, this'll be great. Okay, stir p time. Yes, I want to see the formatting directives. Hopefully one of these resembles a time. God damn it, none of these resemble a time zone. Oh wait, no it does. Okay. %Z. Okay. Parsed time. And so we're gonna okay. Let's go back up and take a look at this. Okay. I don't want the HTML link. Reminders, e-tag. I do want the location. So it's going to be event, and the field is just location. Okay. Oops. And the description is just description. Okay. Post process event over events. Okay. Alright. Oh, yeah, okay. Well, that's actually... Right. Line 406, key error, start. Start time lowercase. Start time's lowercase and date time's uppercase. Camel case. No, it's not. Okay. It totally was camel case though, right? If I'm looking... Oh, it's just start. Okay, sure. %Z is a bad directive? Come on now. Oh, stirp. I hate my life. Thanks. Okay. We're going to manually hard code this temporarily, which I'm sure is what everyone says. 07. Hour, minute, so that is year, month, day, t, hour, minute, second. Month is a 0 part of decimal, yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's the big percent Y there. So year, month, day. Minute, that's a 0. Okay, yeah, year, month, day, T, H. Oh, is that hour? Yeah. Minute, second. Let's just try this for a second. What the hell? Oh, okay. There's a quotation mark here. No, that still doesn't work. Okay. Okay. Why is this not fucking working? Why is %z and stirp time not working? Python %z stirp time. Yeah. No. I don't want to use Django. Fuckers. Wait, are you serious? Is it that colon thing in there? Because if so, I'm going to be very sad. Well, okay, I don't think that is. But let's find out. Snuggle love. No.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, that's okay.
Thank you. Huh. What happens if we just set... Well, okay, minus... I guess no, get rid of that. Okay, Python 3. Let's try import datetime. %Z. Huzzah! Okay, I guess we switched to Python 3 then. That kind of sucks. I mean, not all that much, but a little bit. Oh, wait. Is that the right time zone? Daytime, time delta. Okay. b.tz info. Daytime, time delta. Daytime, time delta. TZ info. TZ info. Fuck. Okay. Requirements.txt. Deactivate. mv myam 2. Pip install. Okay, Python 3 sets. I guess we don't need that import anymore. Fuck. Huh. No, it won't let me install requests. Oh. Alright, no. Pip. Install dash dash upgrade. Buffer app. Dash dash upgrade. Dash reinstall. It's like a force reinstall. Buffer up. Ah, interesting. Can't use buffer app with Python 3, it looks like. Oh, wait, no. Huh. I don't want to maintain a fork of buffer app. Oh, I hate time zones.
Yeah. But the person who does everything in your GC you hate more.
That's true. Let's bring import sets back in.
This is just all in your hair.
Yeah, sorry.
I guess that's why you have it.
And activate. There we go.
Very bitter.
Python 2 stirp time. Or PyTZ stirp time. I don't want stirp time, I want stirp time. Fuck. Well, what I want to do does not work. Which is unfortunate. Python 2. That's a lot of hair. That's all from today?
Yeah, I clean the vacuum brush every time it gets used in your room. I love you. But, like, if this is Dyson's pet vacuum, I don't want to know what their, like, non-pet vacuum looks like. I need, like, a femme edition.
Ooh, interesting. There's... Python date util. Python date util. What's the problem with time zone and startup time? So it doesn't work in Python 2, but buffer app doesn't work in Python 3. So my life sucks. So my options are more or less maintain a custom version of buffer app, which is not out of the question, or yeah, actually that's a good point. Let's go GitHub buffer app, buffer app Python. Ooh, yeah, this was last touched 2 years ago. Any chance of this getting fixed? Is this the problem? Well, yeah. Because if I update to Python 3, it can press the time zone just fine. On the other hand, buffer app doesn't work. So one way or another, I have to do something kind of ugly.
How old is Python 3?
What?
How old is Python 3?
Oh, Python 3 has been around for like years.
Okay, so it's like the Windows 95 and like industrial machines problem?
Oh, yeah, so, yeah, this app that I'm using is, yeah, effectively Windows 95. But, from date util import parser.
But like Windows 95 runs a punch press better than anything else.
That it does, because it has no memory protection.
It's not gonna work again.
So I might actually just do this. Pip install date util. Date dash util. Date underscore util. Python date util. Oh, it's called Python dash date util. Python dash date util. Let's see if I can figure it out. Parser.parse. It would still be better if the issue was fixed, but looks like that might have actually worked. So we'll set to start. Oh, cool. That's actually pretty great. So this now works. Possible underscore posts. So possible posts is going to be cool. So there we go. That's almost done. Okay, possible event posts. possible event posts. Format event post. Format event post. To do Holden format the event post. Okay. So we're not going to finish that part today because it's been an hour and a half and I'm done. But that's okay. We got the time parsed properly, and that's some progress, and I'll finish this part later. Is it? But if possible, this is not none. If possible, stream posts is not none. Yeah. Possible event posts. Wait, what? Line 262. But we checked that it's not. Oh, wait. What? Oh, it's saying that none type is not iterable. Right. That's the ticket. That's not what we need. That's... Error was just bubbling up. There we go. That's the ticket. Okay. Fetching events. Well, maybe we could actually do this really quickly. Well... def format day of post. Fuck it. No. We're going to return a blank list for now, and we'll come back and we'll finish that later. So, git commit -am, start plumbing through Google Events. Note, attempted to upgrade to Pi 3, but buffer app is stuck on Pi 2 for now. Hence using PyDayUtil. Okay, cool. Well, that's some amount of progress, and it's enough that I'm going to call it a success for today. So thanks for joining me. I'll do some other shit later on this week. It kind of depends on the quality of the Wi-Fi at the different hotels I end up in. So they're going to be scheduled kind of last minute, but you can follow me on Twitter to be apprised, or if you're a YouTube person, you can go and press the subscribe, press the bells, like and subscribe, and for Twitch, you can also just subscribe to me there. And later on this week, I'll do some Kubeflow stuff as well, I promise. So thank you all for joining me, and sorry that I don't have my, outro pattern down. Oh, I do actually have an outro.
Remember, like and subscribe, click that bell.
Yeah, actually...
And then you have to announce your, upcoming contest.
Oh, I don't have a contest.
People could win stuff in the box of crap.
Oh, okay, yeah. How do you... We don't have a contest just yet, but we will work on one later. Okay, so that's not what we did today. We did Holden's live streaming tools. So Holden and Boost Super Fun live streams. These are live streaming tools. I'm Holden. I'm a developer advocate at Google. I'm on the Spark PMC and Beam contributor. And I'm trans, queer, Canadian, and part of the leather community. If you are in Vancouver, I'll be up in Canada actually renewing my passport and giving a talk on Thursday, August 30th, from 4 p.m. to 4:40 p.m. And I'll probably try and do a live stream. Actually, I should be able to do 2 live streams on Friday regardless. So I'll schedule those live streams. So definitely like, subscribe, and click the bell to find out the details. And thank you all for joining me. It'll be probably some Kubeflow and my regular Apache Spark code review. Have a lovely rest of your weekend.